We're starting to get some answers tonight about what led to a deadly shooting outside a daycare on the near west side.
Police tonight are telling us that the man who shot and killed the mother of his infant son is this man, Orlando Mitchell, and today he made his first court appearance on that murder charge, and our Rich and I was there for it today.
Rich, what did you learn?
Well, Felicia, Orlando Mitchell was pushed into a court in wheelchair. He is now recovering in jail after he was shot by police and arrested just a few hours after Krystal Walton was shot and killed. Court records indicate that Mitchell threatened to kill the mother of his son and admitted to police that he did just that. 33-year-old Orlando Mitchell sat in a wheelchair and looked around the courtroom as the judge read the charges of murder, invasion of privacy, and unlawful possession of a firearm. Mitchell is charged with shooting Krystal Walton, the mother of his one-year-old son, outside a daycare at 10th and Holmes as she dropped off children about 7:30 a.m. September 16th. At least 3 witnesses heard the gunshots and saw Mitchell run from the scene. Mitchell's mother told police that her son had told her if he couldn't see his son, she wasn't going to be in his life either, referring to Krystal. About 3 hours later, Mitchell and his red Dodge Avenger were spotted near 10th and Delaware. Officers saw Mitchell holding a rifle and ordered him to drop the weapon. Mitchell allegedly refused, and officers fired their guns, hitting Mitchell in the leg. Police body cam video recorded Mitchell admitting multiple times that he shot Walton. Just a day before Walton was killed, an arrest warrant for Mitchell was issued for violating a no-contact order and threatening her. Mitchell allegedly forced his way into a home wanting to pick up his son on August 6th. That no-contact order was part of a plea agreement reached in July this year for a domestic battery conviction in March 2021. Charges of strangling a pregnant woman, confinement, and intimidation were dismissed as part of the deal. And just 16 days before Walton was killed, a probation violation and arrest warrant on that original case were issued against Mitchell.
It's obvious that the ball was dropped, and I'm saying that in a candid way, right? The ball was dropped somewhere. I don't want to point the finger, but they know the system failed. They know there was a failure somewhere, right?
Krystal's family is now committed to helping women who are victims of domestic violence. And in those previous cases, Mitchell allegedly told Walton to get rid of the baby when she was pregnant with his son. And he threatened her life in March last year and then again in August of this year. Court records say Walton was no longer allowing Mitchell to see their son.